Logitech Rally Bar plus Tap IP Bundle. Overkill for Zoom or the Office MVP we all needed? Let's face it, virtual meetings have become the new normal, and you're stuck with that crusty webcam and built-in mic from 2016. You fumble with wires, fidget with settings, and pray your audio doesn't cut out again. Every meeting feels like an obstacle course of tech fails, echoey sound, awkward camera angles, glitchy video. You're not just frustrated, you're drained, distracted, and mentally checked out before the meeting even starts. Your gear is blocking your productivity and killing your vibe. If your office tools feel more like office enemies, you're not alone. And the more you try to patch it with good enough gear, the worse it gets. Deadlines don't care that your mic dropped. Clients won't rebook after blurry zooms. Burnout creeps in because you're constantly troubleshooting instead of doing your actual job. Missed cues, pixelated presentations, and embarrassing background noise become the norm. You deserve better than duct tape solutions in a high-stakes world where your video presence is your first impression. It's time to stop duct taping your way through meetings and finally level up. Enter the Logitech Rally Bar and Tap IP Bundle, the elite conference room setup that finally silences the chaos. This all-in-one solution is like the Batmobile of business meetings. Sleek, powerful, and built for domination. You get cinema-quality 1080p video, crystal-clear beamforming audio, and smart AI autoframing that tracks your movement like it's reading your mind. The Tap IP controller? Just one glorious touch to start meetings like a boss. And with power over Ethernet, clean installs are a breeze, no spaghetti cables, no random reboots, just smooth operations, every time. Say goodbye to clunky software and last-minute tech disasters. Say hello to razor-sharp focus, uninterrupted flow, and meetings that actually work. This isn't just gear, it's a productivity system disguised as a conference kit. The Rally Bar doesn't need a separate PC to run Zoom or Teams, it runs the apps directly, turning your room into a plug-and-play war room of collaboration. Add in Logitech Sync to manage and monitor usage? Now you're not just participating, you're orchestrating like a meeting ninja. Ready to ditch the chaos? Don't wait for your next Zoom bomb to remind you it's time to upgrade. The Logitech Rally Bar plus Tap IP Bundle is flying off virtual shelves, and once it's gone, the regret will hit harder than a frozen screen mid-presentation. Thousands of businesses have already switched and never looked back. You're one click away from ultra-smooth, fully immersive, professional-grade meetings. So why settle for meh when you can command the room? Click now. Take control. Be the meeting MVP.